If you watched my video about how I made $5,000 on Upwork with zero experience, you probably wondered one thing. How did I actually do the transcription work so accurately and so fast? Today I'm answering that question, and I'll walk you through the complete step-by-step tutorial starting at around the 4-minute mark. But stick with me for the first few minutes because the free strategy I'm about to share will completely change how you approach this. The tool that changed everything. When I started transcription work on Upwork, I was doing everything manually, word by word. It was slow, exhausting, and not accurate enough for professional clients demanding 99.99% accuracy. I tried several AI transcription tools. Most were inaccurate, expensive, or didn't support the file formats my clients needed. Then I found TurboScribe. The accuracy was immediately on a completely different level. My entire workflow changed. Client sends audio, I upload to TurboScribe, it transcribes in minutes, I do a quick final proofread which is usually very minor, I deliver and get paid. What used to take me 12 hours became significantly faster. Better accuracy, happier clients, more income. That's the real story. So what exactly is TurboScribe? TurboScribe is an AI-powered transcription tool that converts audio and video into text with exceptionally high accuracy. 3 things make it stand out. 1. Accuracy. I mean, genuinely the most accurate transcription tool I have personally used. 2. File format support. It accepts 11 different audio and video formats. Whatever your client sends you, TurboScribe almost certainly handles it. 3. Export flexibility. You can export your finished transcript as PDF, text, CSV, SRT, VTT, 6 formats covering virtually every client requirement you'll ever face. So how to start completely free? Here is what most people don't know, and this is specifically for anyone starting with zero budget. TurboScribe's free tier gives you 3 files per day, each up to 30 minutes long. That's 1 hour and 30 minutes of audio transcription, every single day, completely free. But here is the strategy that makes it even more powerful. Nothing stops you from creating multiple TurboScribe accounts with different email addresses. 1 account, 1.5 hours daily, 2 accounts, 3 hours daily, 3 accounts, 4.5 hours daily. Transcription work on Upwork pays $50 to $30 per audio hour. 3 free accounts giving you 4.5 hours daily capacity could generate $67 to $1.35 per day with zero upfront investment. That's how you start a real transcription business from nothing. So when should you pay? TurboScribe's paid plan is $10 per month. Unlimited transcription, no daily limits, no file size restrictions. So my honest advice, start free, use the multiple account strategy, land your first clients, generate your first income. The moment you're consistently earning from transcription work, $10 per month covers itself from a single audio hour of work. It's one of the easiest investment decisions you will make. Alright, let me walk you through everything. The first one is to create your free account. Go to TurboScribe.ai. So click Get Started Free or Sign Up. You can register with Google account, that's the fastest option, or email and password. No credit card needed for the free tier, by the way. So your account is ready immediately. So step 2 is upload your audio file. Inside your dashboard, you will see the upload area clearly. So click upload file or simply drag and drop your audio file directly. TurboScribe accepts MP3, MP4, WAV, M4A, WAVM, OGG, FLAC, AAC, WMA, MOV, and more type of file formats. So you just upload your file and select your language. TurboScribe supports dozens of languages, which is extremely useful for international clients. Then click transcribe. Step 3 is wait for the transcription. You will see a progress indicator on screen. Processing time is fast, usually 1 minute file under 30 seconds or 30-minute file 2 to 4 minutes. Step 4 is review your transcript. Once complete, your transcript appears immediately. This is your final proofreading stage. With TurboScribe's accuracy for clear audio files, this is usually very minor corrections. A proper noun here, a technical term here, there. For difficult audio, multiple speakers, heavy background noise, strong accents, there will be more corrections needed, but still dramatically less than manual transcription. And my final tip is read through while listening to the audio simultaneously. This is the fastest and most accurate way to catch any remaining errors. Once you finished your proofreading, export your file. So click export or download. Choose your format based on what your client needs. It could be docx, most common for transcription clients, PDF when clients need a fixed format document, SRT or VTT for clients needed subtitle or caption files, text, simple plain text universal compatibility, or CSV for data heavy or structured transcription work. Click your chosen format, file downloads immediately. And step 6 is creating a multiple free accounts. So to maximize your free daily capacity, open a different browser or use incognito mode. Create a second account with a different email address. Gmail makes this easy with unlimited free accounts. Repeat the exact same process. Upload, transcribe, export. Upload, transcribe, export. Each account gives you 3 files per day up to 30 minutes each. 2 accounts, double capacity. 3 accounts, triple capacity. This is how you maximize your earning potentially before investing a single dollar in a subscription. And finding transcription work. Now that you have TurboScribe set up, where do you find clients? These are the best platforms for transcription work right now: Upwork, Fiverr, and Rave.com. On Upwork, we can search transcription or proofreading transcripts. Hundreds of active jobs posted daily. This is exactly where I started. Fiverr, if you want to use Fiverr, create a gig offering transcription service. Set your price per audio hour. Clients come to you. Or Rave.com, dedicated transcription platform. Apply directly as a freelancer. Work is assigned to you automatically. Start with one platform, build your first reviews, then expand. So, here you have it. The exact tool that powered my transcription freelancing business, the free strategy to start with zero budget, and a complete step-by-step walkthrough of everything. The free tier is real, the multiple account strategy works, and the accuracy, which is what wins and keeps professional clients, is genuinely the best I have personally found. If you haven't watched my video about how I made my first $5,000 on Upwork, I'll link it right here. TurboScribe and that story go hand in hand. Start today, create your free account, apply to your first transcription job this week. The only thing stopping you is starting. In dating money terms, TurboScribe is that reliable partner that just quietly shows up and gets the work done every single time. Find yours. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe to Dating Money. Every week we share real tools, real strategies, real stories about building a better relationship with your money. I'll see you in the next one.